In this video, we will guide how to transform your home by applying simple DIY techniques. Are you ready to revolutionize your living space? Dive into a world where creativity meets simplicity. You don't need to be a professional to transform your home. With a few DIY techniques, you can create stunning decor that reflects your personal style, all on a budget. Let's get crafty. Start with small projects like creating custom picture frames. Gather some old frames, paint them with vibrant colors, and add unique embellishments. Suddenly, you have personalized art that complements your decor and brings warmth and character to any room. Your walls are a blank canvas brimming with potential. Experiment with new paint colors to brighten or warm your space. Or add texture with peel and stick wallpaper or stencils. These easy changes can drastically alter the mood of your room, making it feel more inviting and personalized. Incorporating elements of nature adds freshness to your home. Craft simple planters using recycled jars or cans, adorned with a coat of spray paint. Arrange small succulents or herbs and place them in areas needing a splash of life and color. Nature's touch instantly revitalizes any space. Lighting sets the ambience. Craft your own unique light fixtures using mason jars or repurpose old wine bottles. These projects add a charming touch while casting a cozy glow throughout your home. Discover how strategic lighting can transform both functionality and aesthetics in your living spaces. Don't toss out old furniture. Instead, transform it with some paint and creativity. Turn an outdated dresser into a chic sideboard with a fresh coat of paint and new hardware. Upcycling not only saves money but also brings a sense of accomplishment and uniqueness to your home decor. Now is the time to unleash your inner designer. Gather your materials and like-minded friends and embark on your DIY journey to reinvent your home. Share your creations online with our community, show off your transformations, and inspire others to embark on their creative journey.